Start. In the matter of State versus Anil Kumar, the accused was charged under Section 379 of the Indian Penal Code for the offence of theft. The prosecution alleged that the accused unlawfully took possession of the complainant's motorbike without consent, intending to permanently deprive the owner of their property. The incident occurred on June 15, 2024, when the complainant, Mr. Rakesh Sharma, parked his bike outside his residence. Upon returning, he discovered the vehicle missing. A police complaint was immediately filed, and the investigation led to the arrest of the accused, who was caught in possession of the stolen bike. During the trial, the prosecution presented multiple pieces of evidence including CCTV footage, eyewitnesses' statement, and the official seizure memo. The footage clearly showed the accused unlocking the bike and riding it away. An eyewitness, Miss Priya Verma, testified that she saw the accused loitering around the area before the theft. The defense counsel argued that the accused had borrowed the bike and that the situation was a misunderstanding. They contended that no dishonest intention existed, which is a necessary element of the offence of theft. The defense further claimed that the accused and the complainant were acquaintances through no concrete evidence was provided to support this assertion. The Honorable Court, after reviewing the evidence and hearing both sides, held that the prosecution had successfully proved the accused guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The court noted that the accused failed to provide any evidence to substantiate the claim of prior acquaintances with the complainant. The court relied on the Supreme Court's ruling in State of Maharashtra versus Joseph M. Kohli, which established that possession of stolen property coupled with a lack of reasonable explanation strengthens the prosecution's case. According, the accused was convicted under Section 379 IPC and sentenced to 1 year of rigorous imprisonment. The court also imposed a fine of Rs 10,000, failing which the accused would serve an additional 3 months in custody. The court emphasized the importance of deterring crimes and observed that theft not only caused financial loss but also disrupt public order and security. Let the certified copy of the judgment be provided to the parties concerned as per the applicable rule. Stop.